sit down. Good morning. Welcome to the mall. We are conducting a panel interview for the sales association. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I am Ana Rose Rioja, and I am a fourth-year college student. And with my experience in sales, I'm energetic, hardworking, and passionate about customer service. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
The first question. Tell us about the time when you will face a customer to purchase a product.
In my previous job in retail clothing store, a customer was upset because the item she bought was damaged, and my task was calm her down and resolve the issues while maintaining a good service. And I listened carefully for her concern and apologize sincerely, and also check our stock for our replacement. Since the item was unavailable, I offered an exchange or refund based on the store policy, and the customer accepted the exchange and thanked me for being patient, and she even returned the following week to our shop.
Describe a time when you were a support.
During a holiday sales event, our store was very crowded. We need to manage customers quickly while the store organized. And I help restock items, assist customers, and support my teammates to shorten the line. Then we reach out our daily sales target and receive positive feedback from our manager.
How do you handle pressure during busy hours?
During a weekend sales, many customers were asking for assistance, and at the same time, I had to serve customer efficiently without sacrificing service quality. And also, I prioritize customer based on our urgency, stay calm, and communicate clearly with my teammates. And also, customers will serve properly, and also sales increase that day.
Tell us about the time you convinced a customer to purchase a product.
A customer was unsure about buying the cloth because of the price, and I need to explain the value of the product and help her to decide. I explained the product's benefits, shows the customer's review, and offered a small product demo. Also, inform her about the promo discounts. Then she decided to buy the product and added another item because